This is the devastation here in Brooklyn and Canarsie Avenue N. I didn't think how bad it was. It's amazing. This is stuff that people are going through. I think this is about a month after. No, I don't know the time frame. I lost count. But we are helping a family. I'm helping a family volunteering here in Brooklyn Avenue N in Canarsie, and this is what one of the lady is dealing with. All this wall has to be removed, the ceiling, and it costs about $10,000 for the whole removal. There's still water here. Her heater and boilers have to be replaced, and the heater is slightly working but not at full capacity. But everything has to be replaced, as you can see. Devastation here. This was actually a bedroom here, but as you can see, the wall, it was knocked down. So that was a bedroom. So this is no longer a bedroom. As you can see, there's some molding here. All that has to be treated first before it's taken out, because it can kill you. Devastation is the outside structure may be fine, but when you go down under to the basement, it's something to see. Well, we're gonna get started helping this family, and this is what it looks before, and we'll get some aftershots, and but this is devastation. This is what people are going through, and even worse. Alright guys, this is her basement. I'm volunteering. She actually has a water main break here, if you can see. She has to get that replaced. Just estimating that's a $6,000 job. All this has to be replaced. The sump, which takes the water out to the sewer directly, might likely have to replace all the mold. You can see here, it's devastating here. Yeah. Here's the bathroom, one of the bathrooms. Alright, this is a lady's house. There's thousands of dollars of damage. This is her car. Or one of her cars that was definitely flooded. You can see the condensation in it on the windshield. It's just amazing though. There's still water here in the headlights, as you can see here. It's amazing. This lady has went through a lot. 5 years she's been going through stuff, personal problems before Sandy. And this car is just damaged.